Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best SSC coaching in your city Bhopal? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city Bhopal. Before beginning the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Plutus Academy. Plutus Academy is one of the largest growing online coaching class in India. Study materials and video classes are best which this institute provides. Further, Plutus Academy provides best and updated study material to the students. It provides coaching which is available with recorded lectures and video facilities. Plutus Academy has experts and well-experienced faculty. In addition to this, online test series provided by the Academy is completely a best test series. At rank 2, we have the Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They will assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes according to their needs. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Career Power Institute. The Career Power is a perfect platform for your various competitive examination. SSC is known as mini IAS and everyone wants to crack this exam. For this purpose, students need the best faculty, excellent coaching center and all other facilities which can help them to achieve their goal. The Career Power is the best place for SSC preparation. Their study booklet is an amazing and excellent blend of strategies. Moreover, the infrastructure is well maintained and the fee structure is quite affordable. The batch size is also not crowded and not going to interrupt your learning process. Okay, the institute here is with lots of major facilities. Now let us talk about the contact details. The address of Career Power Coaching Institute is first floor, plot number 278, Ravera House, MP Nagar, above United Bank of India, Zone 2, Maharana Pratap Nagar, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh 462001. Their contact number is 073891777677. Okay. Now let us talk about the fee structure and the batch size. So the fee structure of the institute includes a sum of rupees 6,000 and this is for 1 year coaching. The batch size is 35 to 40 students in a batch. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have Pinnacle Career Institute. This academy is reputed one and located in Bhopal. They are known for their excellent classes for various courses. Their previous track record is excellent and the faculty is well trained and experienced also. The study material is the perfect combo of well-researched content and strategies. Further, this academy is the best place for your competitive exam training. They conduct various classes per day with the flexible timings. The whole teaching process is peerless and educating the person their topmost priority. Okay, now let us talk about the contact details. The address of Pinnacle Career Institute is 2nd floor, Kalpatru Tar, opposite Suzuki Showroom, Zone 2, Maharana Pratap Nagar, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh 462011. Their contact numbers are 9977716716 and 7869374842. Okay friends, now let us talk about the fee structure and the batch size. Their SSC coaching for 1 year is rupees 6,450. This is the fees of their coaching institute. Now the batch size is 20 to 25 students in a batch. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also a rank 5 institute, is Mahendra's Educational Private Limited. Mahendra's Educational Private Limited is well known for their SSC classes and for various other courses too. This academy is perfectly built for you. The infrastructure is well furnished and the fee structure is also nominal. The faculty is highly educated and right education is their topmost priority. In addition to this, the study booklet is filled with tricky techniques which is going to help you to achieve your luminous career. This is Mahendra's. With them you don't have to worry about anything. Even if you still have some queries, Then now let us talk about the contact details. The address of Mahindra's Institute is Narula Complex, second floor, plot number 131, MP Nagar Zone, second opposite irrigation office near Pragati Petrol Pump, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh 462011. Their contact number is 180010352225. Okay friends, now let us discuss the fee structure and the batch size. So the fee structure of the institute includes a sum of rupees 6,700, and this is the combined fees of SSC, banking and railway, and this is for 1 year. Okay, so for 1 year coaching you need to pay 6,700 rupees in this institute for SSC training. The batch size is 35 to 40 students in a batch. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best SSC preparations in your city, Bhopal. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.